Our first problem is to find the measurement of arc RTS. Okay, RTS. So here's our picture right here. I'll give you a moment to draw that out. Okay, give you just a moment to draw it. Notice that this says 45 degrees. R, S, T, and then P is the center of the circle. So this is called circle P. All right. Okay, you have it down? Okay. So we know that this is 45 degrees, which means that the arc that's opposite is that same measurement. In this case, the arc what we're talking about is RS, good initials. So the arc measurement of RS is 45 degrees. But we need to find RTS. Well, let's look at where RTS is. We start with R, we go around to T, and we come back all the way around to S. So again, it's just like what we did on our example problem, where we had it where we knew what this part was, and we just need to find what the rest of it is. So to find the rest of it, again, all we have to do is take 360 and subtract it by 45 degrees. And then what's 360 minus 45? That's right, 315 degrees. Okay? So the measurement of that arc is 315 degrees. Okay? Now, let's say that, I've already answered this question, but let's say I changed it up a little bit. So I'm just going to erase this. And now I'm going to say, what is the measurement of angle RST? Not angle, but arc RST. Okay? Now, of course, what do you see different? That's right. You see that T and S and T are in different locations. So maybe that means that they're equal. Maybe so. We'll see what happens. First, figure out where RST is. So we're going to do R to S and then all the way around to T. Okay? Well, we know that from R to S, it's 45 degrees. So I'm going to put 45 degrees. We're going to have that. Now, if I go from S to T, how many degrees is that? That's right. It's a semicircle, so therefore, it is 180 degrees. So if I put these two arc measurements together, I'm going to get 225 degrees. Okay? So the measure of arc RST is 225 degrees. Now, that kind of leads us to a postulate. So let's step over here. Okay? We have the arc addition postulate. The arc addition postulate says that if we can take any two arcs, or two or more arcs, to get one total arc, we can add them up and we can get the same result. So if I have the measure of arc ABC here, which is A, B, C, how am I going to get two arcs here that will total this arc? Well, just think about it. You just did it. All right? If I go from A to B and then take that and then go from B to C, won't I get the same measurement? I should. So I'm going to take the measure of arc AB and the measure of arc BC, and that will give me my resulting problem here. It'll give me my answer. That if I take these two and take these two and add them up, I'm going to get the entire thing. And now we're going to use this postulate to help us answer some additional questions.